Hello everyone. Let's explore how to create an affiliate program for your Shopify store using Afflr. After logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, head over to the Afflr app. Once you're on the Afflr dashboard, find and select the Programs tab located at the top. From there, click on the Add Program button on the top right-hand side of the page. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear for you to choose a program. Afflr offers different types of programs. For now, I'll choose the Give 10% Get 10% program, which offers affiliates a 10% commission for sales they bring in and a 10% discount for their referrals. Afflr also allows you to create a program from scratch by selecting the Create from Scratch option. However, let's go ahead with the Give 10%, Get 10% choice and click on the Create the Program button. Our program is now successfully created and will be directed to this Update Program page. Here on the Update Program page, we start with the default title of the program, which can be edited by clicking on it. Next is the Simple Affiliate Commission section. Under the commission type, you can switch to a percentage-based commission, fixed commission, or opt for no commission at all by clicking on the drop-down. You can adjust the percentage value as needed. By default, it's set to 10%, but this can be modified. Then there's the Customer Discount section, where you determine the discount that customers will receive when purchasing via an affiliate code. Here, the discount type is set to percentage by default. You could choose a fixed discount, shipping discount, or no discount options based on your preferences. The percentage value is adjustable as well according to your needs. Here, the default value is set to 10%. You can also limit the discount to one use per customer by checking the appropriate box under the Limit Customer section. Next, under the products applicable for discounts, you can decide which products are eligible for the discount. Options include all products, specific products, or certain collections. You can also determine which customers are eligible for these discounts. This could be all customers or specific customer segments. Make your selection by clicking on the drop-down menu. You can also establish a minimum purchase threshold by checking the box and entering your desired minimum purchase amount. It's possible to set thresholds based on both minimum purchase amount and minimum quantity of items. Set your threshold according to what suits you best. Additionally, there's an option to set a referral code usage limit by checking the box and entering your preferred value. In the Combination section, you can specify which other discounts or promotions can be combined with this program's discount by checking the applicable boxes. There's also the option to set discount expiry dates by entering the necessary values. On the right-hand side, you'll see a summary of your program. Below that, the status bar allows you to set the program as active, draft for further editing, or archive if you wish to keep it, but not have it active. The default setting is active. Below the status bar, there's an option to enable auto-approve affiliates by checking the box. Keep in mind that if you enable this option, anyone registering for this program will be automatically approved and receive their unique referral link or code. Be cautious of potential fake registrations. Under Allowed Payment Methods section, enable your desired payment types by checking the appropriate boxes from the options in the drop-down menu. Make sure to select at least one payment method. Once you're finished, scroll down and click on the Save Program button. Your program is now created and updated successfully. When you return to the Programs page, you'll see that your Give 10% Get 10% program is now active on Afflr. You can always edit and customize this program according to your requirements by simply clicking on the Edit icon below the Actions text section. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.